How to use the translation option in Microsoft Word. Have you ever needed to translate a document or part of a document into another language? Well, now it is possible directly in Word. Let's see how. Okay, first of all, we will open the document that we want to translate. I will select this document with this message. This text is in English, but I would like to translate it into German, for example. I can use Google Translate, but there is a better way. Open the Review menu from the top menu. Here, find the Translate option and click on it. They will offer you two options to translate the entire document or a part of it. I will choose to translate a certain part. After that, wait for the window that will appear on the right side of the screen to load. After that, select a part of the text. In the section below, you can select the language into which you want to translate the text. When you have selected everything you wanted, simply click on the Insert button and the text will be translated. This is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.